Hi everyone, welcome to Great Online Training. This is Kavya, and in this particular video I am going to explain the base SAS certification question number 36. If you have any questions you can ask in the comment section, and if you have any doubts or about any specific topic you can ask in the comment section. We will try our best to cover in this channel, so please subscribe to the Great Online Training channel and like the video and share the video. So without any delay, let's enter into the question number 36. So the question number 36 is given the SAS program shown below. So %let category is equals to upper data work dot totals, set is libref dot input, and if range equals to and something like enter text here is given, we have to write what the text actually present in the answer, and then amount is equals to 4000, else amount is equals to 2000, and run. And in the space below enter the code required to reference the macro variable defined in the program. So what the question is asking here, you can see %let category is equals to upper is the macro variable, like the %let which is used to create a new macro variable for reference in the data step or in proc step. But for now, for this question, we are representing it in the data step. So %let is used to create a new macro variable. So a new macro variable here is the category and is equals to upper. Upper is the observation which is present in the range variable. So I will explain you clearly with the example. As you can see here, as you can see here, I have taken example like the data libref input as the question asked. I am creating it, and the input statement I am representing it as range and the sales and data lines, cart statement, and here I am representing some of the observation that related to the range, that is upper, lower, middle, and upper, lower, and the sales or some of the amount that related to that. So here range we are keeping the observations as upper, lower, middle, upper, and lower. So we have three observations. For these three observations, here we are representing a new macro variable to create it as upper. So category is equals to upper. So if range equals to in place of enter text here is there, right? At there we have to keep the macro variable, because enter the code required to reference the macro variable defined in the program. Here we have defined it as upper. So if range equals to upper, then amount is equals to 4000. If we have not created the macro variable at, then we can keep it as if range is equals to upper, then amount is equals to 4000, else amount is equals to 2000. But here we have created the macro variable as category is equals to upper. So we have to keep it as category. If we have keep at here, if range equals to category, then amount is equals to 4000, else amount is equals to 2000. That is absolutely wrong, because when we are representing the macro variable in the data step or in the proc step, we have to indicate with the ampersand symbol. So we have to keep it as ampersand category. I will explain you this by writing the code in the SAS environment. So let me open the SAS first of all. So I will paste the code as it is present in the PPT. So here in place of enter text here, we have to keep as ampersand category. First of all, let me run the code. Okay, let's run the code now. You can see now. So libref dot input is not present, so let me copy this one. So yeah, here is the library input. So There is no library with me, so I will keep it as work. If in case if we want we can create, but for this type of question there is no need to create the library, right? So I'm giving it as work.input. So here also I'm changing it. Yeah, okay, let's run the code now. So first of all let me run this one, and later on let me run this one. So check the log, and here you can see why the log says upper is uninitialized. So let's again recall here now. For example, if we are writing it as if range equals to, let me first of all delete this category. So if we want if range is equals to upper, right? So if we write upper like this, is this the data set will get be worked? And here again it says upper is uninitialized. So when we are representing an observation, we will keep the quotation marks. So here we are keeping the quotation mark, and when we are representing the macro variable also we have to keep the quotation mark. So here in place of upper we have to write the macro variable representing with the ampersand sign as category. And now let me run the code, and now you can see here there are 5 observations read from the data set work.input. So it was given, and so if range is equals to upper, we are representing it as the amount as 4000. If in case if it is not upper, we are representing it as 2000. So is it clear, guys? Like we have to keep the macro variable by representing the ampersand sign. When we are creating the macro variable by using the %let or anything, we have to keep the macro variable by representing it with the ampersand sign. So the correct answer here is this one. This has to be written with the quotation, like with the quotation marks you have to write in the answer. So if in case if you have missed anything, like if you have missed to write the quotation mark, even though the mark will gone. So be careful when you are writing the exam. And this is one type of question that related to the macro variable. So I think this question is useful to you, and you can get some extra topic of this. And so guys, if you have liked this video, please subscribe to the Great Online Training channel and like the video, and subscribe to get more SAS tips and about SAS preparation. So if you subscribe or like the video and comment in the comment section, we will try to make more videos and keep SAS certification questions more and more. And thank you for watching.